Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life. I'm really excited to take you all along with us today because in today's video we're going to Nant Gwrtheyrn. Are you excited, Mum?
I am. It's going to be amazing. And it's a special day for you, Sarah, and for some other guide dogs, along with their guide dog owners too, for a photo shoot for guide dogs. So it's going to be really lovely to meet some of the guide dogs and guide dog owners.
It's going to be absolutely brilliant. We're just about to go and we thought we'd take you all along with us.
I think it's amazing to take everyone along. So I've seen on the website the views are amazing.
I love you telling me about it, Mum.
An old granite quarry works, and it's a big descent down to the old granite quarry works.
It sounds incredible, doesn't it, Mum?
It really does.
Should we get ready?
I think that's a great idea. I'll make sure we've got water for Sarah, and I think then we're ready to go.
Definitely.
I've got everything else in the car ready.
Perfect.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Reaching out for sunbeams, grasping at the light, soaking in the warmth of peace beyond a fight. You have dreamt of walking, slowly taking time, figuring the knots out in this web of mine.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight, I can smell the shore, it's right in front of us if we just hold on tight. This vision that I saw is getting closer every dawn. We are dreamers of the shore. 7 years now on this boat, and we all know where we belong. Just wait. Turn every wrong to right. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Hearted, we're not like the others, no reason to be. And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been. You can walk through this world without a few punches upon your chin. I think I lost you somewhere between 20.
We're here at the cafe. We thought we'd stop for some lunch before going home. It's so lovely that they're going to do a vegan hummus and tomato sandwich with some chips too.
That's right. Important to have the chips, isn't it?
Of course it is, after that long walk.
After having a long walk down to the beach for Sarah.
It was so lovely.
She really enjoyed it actually, didn't she?
She did.
And she
She's
enjoyed the
very
walk up.
tired now too. Oh wow, can't wait to hear Mum.
It looks lovely.
Here's the sandwich.
I think your mouth's enjoying it.
One thing I can say is that there's a lot of hummus in there.
There's the chips are lovely as well.
Oh, that's great.
There we go.
Hang on.
Even found it has some vegan raspberry swirl magnum. Do you like it, Mum? Oh, it looks amazing.
That tastes incredible. It's so delicious. It's a wonderful taste of raspberry too. Thank you for the extra treatment.
You're more than welcome.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Sun rise above the mountains, over the seas of deep. And if you have time, shine where darkness haunts me. It's in the past, I believe. Falling too fast, I know if I'm ready. You're a gleam, it's all I've got. So rise over my path, over my story. Show me which way to go, cause I don't know how to be.
What an amazing day we had at Nant Gwrtheyrn. It really was so lovely, and thank you so much to everyone at Nant Gwrtheyrn and from Guide Dogs for organising this amazing day. And it's also been so lovely to meet fellow guide dog owners who we can keep in touch with, isn't it, Mum?
It's been such a fantastic day. We couldn't have asked for better weather, could we? And just to meet all the other guide dogs, and like I say, the guide dog owners as well, keeping in touch with them, and to be given this amazing opportunity for this fantastic photo shoot for guide dogs.
It's been absolutely incredible, and of course we really enjoyed taking you all along with us as well. We really hope that you all enjoyed coming along with us.
It's been fantastic to be able to take everyone along to share in this amazing day and the amazing view, and so wonderful that while you were sat on the beach as well, to be able to see part of Anglesey in the background.
That was incredible. I love you telling me that, Mum.
It was lovely for me to sit there and I could describe everything to you.
And it was so lovely that Sarah enjoyed herself too.
It was so lovely for Sarah to be able to meet some of the guide dogs. She's met Una before, hasn't she?
Yes, she has.
And it was just lovely to see how excited and happy Una and Sarah were when they got to meet again.
And so lovely for Sarah to meet Blue as well.
Oh, and to meet Jasper, to meet Cariad as well. Oh, it was so lovely.
And amazing as well, as Sarah was the youngest guide dog there too.
That was so amazing to know, wasn't it?
It was. And of course, the lovely lunch afterwards too.
How really do you think that your face enjoyed that hummus sandwich?
It did.
It was so lovely. I mean, all the staff there were amazing and so helpful, so friendly.
Oh, yeah.
And it made the day so lovely and just welcoming us all there and letting us use everywhere for the photo shoots for guide dogs.
It was absolutely fantastic. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know where you enjoyed going for a day out. We'd also love to know if you've been to Nant Gwrtheyrn. We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye! Take care! And bye for a very tired Sarah too.
I thought you'd like a nice drink.
Thank you, ma'am.